Hello everyone, I'm here with our creative designs here. I'm here with Jenny and Mark, and today I have a couple questions for them. So Mark, what did you think of the workshop today?
I thought it was really informative. Got a lot of new information that I didn't know that much about before. Just how to apply just design elements to like a landing page, make it work, properly name the design images, and just how to make it effective graphics for like landing pages.
Oh cool, that sounds interesting. So Jenny, what did your group work on today? Can you explain it to us?
Sure. So today our group, we worked on redesigning some graphics on the website, and I believe Martin worked on some logos, and I believe Alvin also worked on redesigning the host structure and like some parts of the web page itself.
Okay. Do you feel like that is something that you're gaining more practice on?
Yeah, it's a great practice. It's great to work on and like kind of, sharpen up skills that I could always improve on.
Oh, nice. Well, thank you both for sitting with me today, and hope to talk to you all soon.